What's up everybody, OL Island Fishing here, and I am back at it again. The flounder bite is still hot. It has been over a week since I did this number here. Some people call that sitting the hook, ripping lips, but I call it Ayawasaki. I don't know what it means. Sounds cool. But here we are. I'm fixing to put my waders on, and hopefully we can pick up 2 flounders and Ayawasaki them. So stick around, and hopefully we can get some flounder for dinner tonight. So stick around guys, wish me luck. Here we go guys. It didn't take long at all. I just got in the water and I got a thump already. I'm gonna give this guy a couple seconds chew on my bait before setting the hook, and we'll see. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a decent flounder. Oh yeah, that's definitely cute. Put this guy in the net. Come on buddy, let's get him there. Oh man, let's try it again. Nope. Frisky, 3rd time. Yep, it's in the net. Here we go. Oh yeah, this guy looks nice. Not a monster, but it's a decent flounder. It's the first fish of the day. Did not take long at all. We'll see what it should look like, buddy. Easy. Oh yeah, that's a pretty flounder. Nice flounder. It's gotta be, I don't know, 17, 18 maybe. Oh yeah, definitely. We'll put this guy on the stringer. Got our one, got our fresh one. All we need is one more. It's gonna be a short trip guys. Got my hoagie still in good shape. Yep, let's go. Alright guys, back to business. And as soon my bait hit the bottom, I got thumped again. Give this guy a few seconds and we will see. Come on buddy, eat it. He's on it. Here we go. Oh yeah. Not very big, but aggressive. Come on. Missed it right there, but that's fine. We'll get him again. That guy came back. Yep, he was still hungry. God damn, that's twice in a row. So I'm gonna get him again. That little sucker tore my hoagie up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a funky mullet, stinky mullet on here by itself. I am almost 100% he's gonna bite again. Here we go. Yep, that's it. Here we go guys. There it is. It's a small one. That's why I keep missing it. Right, I think I got him this time. Yep, little guy. Come on in here. I'm gonna release you anyway. Come here. Get over here. Trying to splash water on me. Come on man. Easy, don't bite me. Here we go. Bye fish. I was digging for another hoagie in my backpack, but I found this bag of gummy worms. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put one of this on my jig head and we'll see. I think this is a good color right here. We'll see, guys. This is crazy, but you never know. We'll put it on a jig head and maybe a flounder will eat it. We will see. Yeah, I like this color. It's good enough to eat. I know. So I just ate one. Here we go, guys. A little sticky. Yeah, that's a sweet treat for you, flounder. Come on, let's go. Here goes nothing. This is crazy. You never know. We'll try it. Well, guys, I couldn't get a bite with that gummy worm by itself, so I'm gonna tip it with mullet, and I think they're here. I know they're here. They're stacked up right in front of me. Here we go. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. We got a bite already. Pop it. Oh yeah. Sweet. First minute. Here we go. Listen to this guy. Ooh, it's a nice one. The gummy worm tipped with dead funky mullet. Oh yeah, nice one. Get in there. Oh yes, sir. We got our second nice keeper, guys. Got our limit. Ooh, look at that nice flounder. Really nice flounder. Well, we got our limit. Did not take long at all. This baby. Shook my gummy worm off. It's a little soft. Look at that nice red flounder. Beautiful flounder. Get this funky mullet out of here. And look at that nice. Here we go, guys. We got our 2 flounders just like that. We got dinner. It didn't take long, but less than 2 hours. We caught a couple small ones. We let him go. And we got our 2 keepers. They didn't take long at all. Like I said, the gummy worm by itself did not work, but tipped with dead mullet that it's been in my freezer for 2 years worked just fine. I guess the stinkier the better. So the first fish, I didn't catch it with the gummy worm. I caught it with the hoagie shrimp tail, tipped with mullet. And second one was caught on the gummy worm tipped with mullet. I had a couple bites with the gummy worm by itself, but they didn't want to hold on to it. I guess didn't like the taste. It's too sweet for them. So that's good, so they don't get no diabetes. But we got our 2 flounders. Time to go home. I'm gonna put these guys down and let's talk about what kind of reel and rod I'm using. I am using a Daiwa BG 1500, little tiny little reel, and I upgraded with the Gumex's handle. Sweet, it looks really nice. This reel is really small, and I have a 10-pound braid on there, and just a jig head, very simple rig, and a 6-foot rod. Very small, light tackle. I love it. So here we go. We got our flounder fishing in, got it out of my system. Time to go home, do some I don't know, cut the grass or something. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.